The JLA 98 is one of our most popular machines, and for good reason. With its pre-programmed cycles, enhanced wash options, and instant door release, the JLA 98 is packed with the features that help our customers work efficiently and economically. The JLA 98 is a freestanding machine with a 9.5 kilogram capacity. Our latest version has bulked up and now provides an impressive 20% more capacity than its predecessor, the JLA 88. All whilst being more efficient with increased spin G-force, helping to reduce drying time. And even with the increased speed, size and power, the high specification build means this machine is quieter than ever, with less vibration. The 98 also ticks all the right boxes. RAS approved to the highest category, level 5. It's also WTL approved and complies with CQC requirements. The JLA 98 has a lot of great features that make it easy to use, such as pre-programmed cycles, enhanced wash options, and instant door release on completion. The machine's angled control panel makes it easy to select cycles. The JLA 98 offers low water consumption and a generous drum capacity, which translates into an, on average, 15% labour saving and less water used per kilogram. With stackable and coin-operated options available, we think the JLA 98 commercial washing machine is ideal for everyday, multi-load use and is perfect for venues such as housing, schools, intimate restaurants and small care homes. The JLA 98 allows you to do more in less time.